If you face issues of engine overheating, white smoke, or engine oil leakage, it's time to inspect the oil level of your motorcycle. It's always recommended to get it checked at a Royal Enfield authorized service center at regular intervals. However, you can do it yourself as well. Here is how. Park the motorcycle on the center stand on a flat surface. Switch on the engine and gently raise the RPM for 10 seconds. Leave the motorcycle in idling condition for 15 seconds before switching it off. It will take about 2 minutes for the oil to settle down. Now inspect the oil level. It should be at maximum level mark. In case the oil level is at the minimum mark, it is advised to top up. You'll need the following for that: original Royal Enfield engine oil, a beaker, a funnel, and a clean cloth. Open the engine oil filler cap, place the funnel, and gently pour the engine oil till the level reaches the maximum mark. Once done, follow the same process to check if the oil level is at the maximum mark. Always remember, do not check the oil level in cold condition or allow anyone to sit on the motorcycle while inspecting. Also, never fill the oil above maximum level. The oil level is now alright. You're ready to gear up and ride out.